Now we're going to add some validation to the data the users type in. To do this, we need to add a custom action to our update and insert actions. We already added a custom action to our delete button, but when you do this for update or insert, there are a couple of crucial things you need to remember. First, we're going to add another attribute which we forgot for our contacts app. That's business name, and we'll use that in the next exercise. Now let's add an action. This action is going to be used to validate the data typed in for both the add and the update button. We'll call the action validate contact. We'll set the display name to the same thing, although actually it doesn't matter because this is only going to be behind buttons. First, we need to set the stream item action to update. Save that. And then set copy values by name. This is crucial if you want to keep the form working in the way that it currently does. It also allows you to quickly add new fields to the form, like we did with the business name earlier. Now we can add the action validation. We're going to add an expression which checks that the phone number typed in consists of only numbers or spaces. We're going to use a function matches and a regular expression. We won't go into too much detail here on how that works. There's more help in the PhixFlow help on regular expressions, and there's very wide help available on the web. First, let's write a condition that will try and match a correct phone number format. Note we use _form to refer to a value typed in on the screen. Here's our regular expression, which will match numbers or spaces, and the plus sign means one or more occurrences of that. The exclamation mark at the beginning says if this is not true. If this is not true, we'll use the error function to raise an error. And crucially, if you raise an error in the validation expression, it will stop the action. That is, the data won't be saved. Let's save that. Now the crucial part. You need to drag the action on top of the add button and the update button. And that's the configuration complete. It's useful to see what's happening here, so let's just look in the configuration for the add button. We can see the action has been set, and same for the update button. Here we've gone into app mode and I'm typing in some new contact details. For the phone number, I've typed in F by accident. Let's see what happens when I try and add that. There's our error. Great. So we can fix that and enter it. We'll see the same thing if we try and update a record. Here I want to make a correction, but I accidentally type in E. So the error prevents me from doing that, and I can make my correction as required.